Hey guys, what's up? Joe here. We're gonna check out a puzzle called Cornichon or Cornicon, one of the two, maybe, by Lorena. I'm sorry, the rules seem to have been invaded by pickles. I hope you can still make pickle of them. Normal pickle rules apply. Two adjacent pickles on a pickle line have a difference of at least 5. Pickles separated by a light pickle dot are consecutive. Pickles separated by a dark pickle dot are in a 2-1 pickle. Not all pickles are necessarily shown have pickle. Alright then. I'd started this earlier but failed it utterly. So we're gonna give it another go. The so in these are also known as German whispered lines where they have to differ by 5. Basically, all that the logic a little bit behind it is that 5 cannot go on it because the other digit would have to be a 0 or a 10. Neither one of them are valid in this puzzle. In some puzzles they are. This one it is not. Well, at least I don't think so. Normal pickle rolls. So, I think that means Sudoku. So we know that 5 goes here because we can't not put it on a pickle line. And we also know, so 5's gonna have its own color of green, no, not green, of yellowy, and because it's scared to join a group of high or low. And we can also, it was like these two are consecutive. So whatever they are the same, whether if they're low or if they're high. Same here, because you're not gonna be able to cross because they have to be consecutive, and 5 cannot be on the green line. Hopefully that makes sense there. So this is also the same because it's going to alternate between high and low. This, and this, and this, and this, and this. So all of those are either high or low. Now, I don't know which one they are yet. So for now, I'm going to pick pink and another color, and then when I figure out when I figure out low, I want to go blue, and high, I want to go orange or red. That's just what I'd like to do. These other ones are gonna be just the opposite. Um, Perhaps these could. No. Since I know that this one and this one is both of one set, and I know that this one and this one is also of that same set, then all of this night uh, diagram. Is that right? Yeah. They cannot be some low and some high. It has to be all low. And I know that these are the same as well. And they have to be both low, because this whole group is low. So that's low, and that's low. And this is already in the alternating thing. So this is going to be my low, or blue. Pink is going to go to my high, or orange. Another thing. Ooh, okay, this is right. So this could be a 5 because it's not, but only if this is 4 and this is 3, which that would work. Or I mean, that would be okay. This is 4, that could be 2. 2 definitely goes in this Kropke dot though, or pickle dot, as it were here, paired with a 1 or a 4. Those are both valid options for a 1 to 2 ratio with 2. Now, does this have to be low? If this was a 2-4, oh, this can't be 2-1. Well, that way. I guess it could be 2-1 this way. No, it could not, because then it would be, this has to be 2-4. Because if it's 2 and then 1 up top, then 2 has to be on both sides of it, because that's the only number consecutive with 1. And if it's 2, 1 down here, then you'll get another 2 in this column. So this must be 2-4. If it was 4 up here, it would have to be consecutive with 3, because 5 couldn't go on it. If it was 2, could be 1 or 3. And same goes with this side, but this side could be a 5 if it's a 4, because it's not on a line. And if it was a 5, it could alternate down to high here, in the way of a 6, and this would be 1. Okay. So these are high. Let me just do this. This is also gonna be a 1-3, isn't it? Okay, so that can be any. This can be any. It's true. This cannot be 6. 6 can only be paired with 1, and if that was 6, then there would be a 1 on both sides of it. Same here. Same here. This one would be okay, because they're in different columns. Can't be here, though. Can't be here. Could be here. Could this be 1, 1? Yeah, it could. So that's okay. This is gonna be a 1-3 as well. Oh, no, no, no. No, it can't be a 3. Can't be a 3. It could be a 1. It could also be a 2 or a 4. But that's it. And again, a 2 does go on here, for sure. Because 1 cannot be paired with 4. But I do believe, but the interesting thing here now is that this cannot be a 4, because there would be it only pairs with 9, and there would be a 9 on both sides of it. Same here. So it must be a 1-2. Now, Now this is a... No, not quite. Okay, so this is a... Well, this is a 3 then, isn't it? It can't be a 4 because it would place a 9 on both sides. So that is a 3. That could still be... If this was a 1 though... Yeah. That would be okay. That'd be a 2 on each side there. A 4 would go there. And this could be 7, 8, or 9. That'd be okay. Alright, so... Oh, this can't be a 1. Because that was an actual combo there. Or a double. So that is a 5. Which I'm going to throw a yellow on. Scared to join low or high. So now we have to have a 4 here, don't we? And a 3. And a 2. And, I mean, this it cannot be a 6 or a 7 now. Neither here. This can't be a 7. We got an 8, 9 pair here, so this is a 7. It's not. Okay. So we have 1. So does this go up to high? Or does it go back down to 4? It's one of those two. Okay, this can be 1 or 2. So we have another combo wombo in that row. This can be 1, 3, or 4, basically. This can be 1, 2, or 3. This can be 1, 2, or 3. We got a triple dipple in this row. Okay. Let's have a look at these. Oh, well, wait. What about here? Like, is there anywhere that has 4 already? This has 3 lows in this column. These 2. Oh, no. Wait, is that right? Yeah. Those 2, all 4 of these actually, are the same. And they can't be low. Because that would have 5 lows in this column. So those are, in fact, all high. This one is low. This one cannot be 5. 5 goes either there or there. Well, oh, I guess it could be high though. But it could be low. It's one of the two. This gets one of each again. If this one was low, this one would have to be low. doesn't really mean anything, I guess. Not yet. This has a low and a high on it. Can it still have that high? Yeah. This has... These are the same. Whatever it is gonna finish. That's not too interesting, is it? Not really. This will have 2. 5 goes down. Oh, 5 goes in this row. 5 goes on the top somewhere. 5 could go there and do a change of high or low. Whatever this is, it's got 3 of them, so it can't be these 2. It has to be that one. Is that helpful? If those were all blue, would it break something? Don't think so. If they were all orange, I don't think so. Oh, it would give us all 4 oranges. Those 2 would be blue. If these were all high, so if all of their eyes were red, or no, yeah, if they were all high, this would be blue. These 2 would be orange. That'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 highs. I don't think that's too strange. I think that's okay. I do think that's okay. Oh, look here. These 2 are consecutive. They can't be 6. And it has an 8. If this is 7, it's an 8. If this is a 9, it's an 8. It can't be on there without an 8. This can't be a 9, but it could be 6 or 8. I also have an 8-9 combo wombo up in here. Can 6 go over here? Suppose it could. So I can't say that 6 belongs for sure on this bottom row over here. What else do we got here? 3. Alright. Those are 8 9s. What else is missing from here? Is it a 4? Yeah. 4 goes over here. Because it doesn't go anywhere on this line. And it has to be in this row. And that's the only spot it has to go. It's 1 to 3. So this is now, 5, 6 combo wombo. what is missing from this set? It is a 6, 4, and then whatever isn't used in here, whether it be a 7 or a 9. This cannot be a 4 though, but it is going to be 2 highs and a low. One of them's there, so there's a high and a low here. Do they have to alternate? No, not really. Maybe, don't know yet. This is low. This is going to be a yellow and a high. So this is going to have, this is going to be 3 over highs. This is going to have the 4th on it. This is low. And it's a 1 or a 2. That means that this is high. Therefore, this has to be high. Because they can't turn yet. With the 5. This could go to 5 though from here. Or I think it could just probably stay high. It'd be one, if it did stay high, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there would be a blue and 5, a low and 5, and these outer 2 and inner 2. So maybe this is gonna be the 4th high up there. So these 2 are low. Yeah. This cannot be a 4. This can only be a high or a 5. Should I mark that? I don't know if I should, but this can't be a 4. So the 4 goes down here. And the 4 goes up here. It's very peculiar right here, isn't it? It could just be 4, 9, 7, 8. How about that? Anywho, the 4 goes over here. Okay. This has 3 lows in it, 3 highs in it. This could be, can this be a 6? If this was a 6, 1, this would have to be a 4. It'd be a 3 over here. 6, 1. And then the thing on the right. It'd be a 4 there. This would be 5, 6, 7. Ooh. This cannot be a 4. Because of that, what I just RP'd there. If this was a 4, couldn't go down to a low, it would be a 5, 6, 7. There's already 7 in this box. That cannot be a 4. The 4 goes on the line with a 9. Therefore, it does not go to a high, but this is the 4. This is the 9er. So it does that. And this is now our 8. Paired with the 7. This is now our 9. It's our 8. Does that force this into being our... No, this could still be a low. Could be... Well, it can't be a 1. It could be a 3. or a 5. Can it be high? 1, 2, no. It can't be high. So it's either 5 or low. If it is a low, it's a 3. But that would be okay. And this is whatever's left over. So this is a low. If this is a 5, yeah. If this is a low, that has to be a 5. If this is a high, that has to be a 5. Oh, no. This can't be a low, because it couldn't make it to a 5, because 4's already there. And it can't be a high, so it has to be a 5. Because it couldn't start high, go down to 5, and back up, because it's on the same row. So that is a 5. This is a high baller. Along with that, this is going to be 5, 6, 7, and 8. Oh, but actually that could go down. Let me back up one. This could go back down to a 6. Let me do that. We do have a 6-8 pair here. And actually, when I brought it up to an 8, that probably made this have no selection. This is a 9 because of a 6-8 pair. This is an 8. It does go back down to a 6. But 6 over here. 6 cannot go here. Cannot go here. It can only go here with a 1. This is a 3. This is a... Uh-oh. That's not a high. That's a low. I colored that incorrectly. That is a 1. This is a 2. This is a 3. This has to be an 8. Cannot be a 7. It's only 4 digits away. This has to be a 7. This has to be a 9. This has to be a 1 now, doubled with a 2. Kropke dotted, or dark pickled, into a double digit. Okay, 1, 2 pair here. 3 has, 3 is over here. 4, 5 goes on one of these sides. 5 goes up here. It must go there because it can't be on a line. It's gonna give that one a color. 5 goes up here somewhere. This is a 2 or 3. This is a 2 or 4. Yeah. 6 goes over here somewhere. So that is a 4, 6 pair. This is a 5. It's just yellow. 5. 5 goes down here. Summers. 5 goes now in the corner here of this box. Three now goes here from Sudoku, and 2 goes there from Sudoku. It's a bluish hue. 3 goes on this line now. This is gonna be eyeballing was our previous logic on there. That one's not 3, therefore. One of these is 3, which 5 away is only 8 or 9. That has to be a 9. From the looks of it, it can be paired with a 4, but it could have a, well, right, this can't be a 4. It must be paired with a 4. This has to be a 2. This has to be a 7-8 combo wombo. That one can't be a 7. That one is a 7. It's not a 4 down there no more. That one is the 4. It says 1 digit left. What is it, an 8? I reckon. This one is going to be a 1-2 then. It's going to be low. How about that? Is this broken yet? Yeah, 3. That can't be high. It would be 5 highs in the column. That's low. That's highs. There's 4 highs in this row. Those are lows, because the 5's already there. This is low. Those are high. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Did a 4 go here? Yeah, 4 goes here. That's gonna be, so this is a 1. And this is gonna be, well, the 9 has to go here, doesn't it? No, the 9, this could be 9, 4, 6, I reckon. Yeah, there's just another high here somewhere. This pencil marks are throwing me off a bit. This can actually be a 6 or 9, but it's not locked to only those digits. Oh, no, it is. What am I doing? This is a 4, 6, 9. That one can't be 4. That one can't be 9. Okay, those are the options. This is 6, 7, 8. This is 6, 7, 8. No, it's not a 6. So that does give a 7, 8 combo for that row. This is 8 or 9. This is 6, 8, 9. This can't be 6. So it is actual 8, 9. 1, 2. This is a 3 or 4. That has to be a 3. Because a 4 would give a 9 on both sides. So this is 1, 2, or 4. Can't be a 2. This is a 1, 2, or 4. This is also low. It's a 1 or 2. 1 or 2. If that's a 6, it's gotta be a 1. This could be 6 or 7. Yup. Same here. Yup. This is gonna be high up here. And it's also, oh no, it could be a 9 though. It's a 6, 7, 9, isn't it? Oh no, it is a 6, 7. Because there's a 8, 9 double over there. But the 7's already in the row. So, and this is being forced to be a 1. This is now a 4. This is now a 9. This is now an 8, this is now a 2. This is now a 6, this is now a 4. 3 and 4. 4 go over here somewhere. Could go on the line. This could be a 9. There's a yellow up here with a high and a low. Oh, we do know the digits though. It's going to be a 1 and an 8. It looks like the 5 is the only one that can go there. 8's the only one there. 1's the only one there. That's nice. So we got that sorted. Can go on further with the Sudoku of it. There we go. So these are, let's finish these colorings up real quick. Oh, whoops. Thought I put a 4 there. Oh, I'm hitting the wrong button. That'd do it. This is a yellow for our Independent Buddy 5. This is a 2. Only option left. It sees 1, 2, or it sees 1, 3, and 4 in both row and column and box. Partly everything. 3 goes over here from the bottom, 3 down there, and this is gonna be a 7-9 pair, which is already resolved. This is a high and a low, and these are both high. This is a yellow, and I think that is gonna just about do it. So yeah, that was a good one. This is a 7 left over. We'll just color this up real quick. So, I will thank you for watching, and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.